Hey, what's up guys? Thank you for joining us on another video of YRM TV.
Good morning guys. Hey, so it's Sunday morning. We have a boiler job to do. Today I have my new helper starting today. So I'm gonna get some video in and show you guys, go over everything with you guys. I'm gonna record him right now. His name's Edwin, and I'm sure he's gonna do great. All right guys, so this is the new helper. He showed up right on time. Say what's up.
What's up guys?
Alright guys, so we just pulled up to the house, customer's house, really good customers. This is what we're working with. So this boiler, it's got two problems. It's got a leak on the pressure relief valve, and we've already tried everything. Replace the expansion tank, replace the relief valve twice. We have the automatic water feeder shut off. So I ran a test on the hot water coil, and it turns out that there's a pinhole leak in the hot water coil. What that means is that the domestic hot water lines, this is the cold, this is the hot, is leaking right into the boiler side, causing the pressure to increase and then the pressure relief valve to pop. But wait, that's not all. Got another problem. The combustion chamber is cracked. So when the burner, the oil-fired burner comes on, it's actually leaking out the back and burning, almost burning a hole into the back of the boiler. So our job here is to start draining this thing and replace it with a new one. Okay guys, so first thing we're doing is we're draining out the boiler. We're using the pump. The next thing we also want to do is this is the oil line that's coming from the oil tank. It's back there. I'm getting ready to turn the burner on so we can suck the remaining oil from the oil line so we don't make a mess. As you can see, trying to fire it up. And then it shut off because there's not a lot of oil left. What's up guys? Okay, so it's Sunday afternoon, it's about 3:20. We're calling it a day. Today was a short one. I just wanted to get the boiler job started because tomorrow I'm starting a new job, and then we're coming back to the boiler job in the afternoon. It's a little bit of a hectic week, but you know, we got to get things moving. So we're gonna go out and enjoy Mother's Day. I hope you guys do the same thing. Like I said, it's about 3:20. Sunday, May 12th. Happy Mother's Day to all the moms, especially to my mother and to my beautiful wife, Mrs. YRM. You guys have a good one. Enjoy the rest of your day. Okay guys, so we're here at the boiler job we started yesterday Sunday, on Mother's Day. We're here with my fucking star employee, Joel. We're just getting ready to unload, set up our workstation. But this is pretty much what we have. Alright friends, the piping is done. This is a split loop. So this is the supply off the boiler. Let me step back, I'll show you guys the way a boiler works. So this is the supply pipe, this is the return pipe. There's a circulator pumping down, so the hot water from the boiler goes up this way through the air scoop. As you can hear, that's the air being vented out. This is a flow check, and it goes into a manifold right here, and it goes into the split loop. So this side does the left side of the house. This pipe does the right side of the house. Now our job is to go ahead and purge out all the air. I'm just filling it up. This piping right here is the domestic water side. There is a hot water coil. Pretty much think of a copper coil that gets submersed inside the boiler. The copper coil then gets heated up indirectly by the hot water of the boiler. The hot water used from the coil goes right here to this mixing valve. This mixing valve is in charge of regulating the temperature of the hot water discharge. So it mixes cold water and hot water and brings up 100, and I'm gonna set it to about 130 degrees, 130 degree water upstairs to each fixture. This is the cold water side coming from the water main, coming in from the street, goes into this valve right here. And then this apparatus is called a automatic water feeder backflow combination. This is the backflow part. What this does, this is pretty much a check valve. It prevents any water from the boiler side, to go into the domestic side, because this water is actually toxic. So that without that flow check, without that check valve, with the backflow preventer, the homeowners, the people living here would be in some trouble if they drink that water. Okay guys, so we are just wrapping up this boiler job. We are completely done. We just finished testing the hot water. We're testing the heat now. It is 64 degrees outside, but either way, we stopped to check, test the temperature. All the baseboards are getting hot. So this is what it looks like. Here we have the oil-fired burner. We got the oil line coming from the tank. This is the return. We did all the electrical, wired up to the aquastat. This is the mixing valve. Like I said, we already tested for hot water. This is the return side of the boiler. This is the supply side going into the air scoop, high vent up top, automatic water feeder, check valve. We got the split loop, and everything's working fine. Burner's just about to kick off. There she goes.